In an old attic, Claire discovered a dusty typewriter, its keys worn yet inviting. Intrigued, she brought it home, eager to unleash her creativity. With each click, words flowed effortlessly onto the page, weaving tales of adventure and fear. But as night fell, the stories took a dark turn. Claire wrote of a shadowy figure stalking a lonely street, and chills ran down her spine when she heard a knock at her door. Dismissing it as her imagination, she continued typing, crafting a story of a sinister presence lurking in the dark. The next moment, her lights flickered, plunging her into darkness. Panic set in, but she kept typing, desperate to finish her tale. As she wrote of the figure breaking in, the typewriter rattled violently, keys jamming. Then silence. Heart racing, Claire glanced around her dimly lit room. The door creaked open. A tall silhouette stood there, its face obscured. It stepped forward, a twisted grin forming. In that moment, Claire realized her words had conjured this horror. The figure reached for her, and as her scream echoed, she understood. Once you write it, you cannot escape it. The typewriter remained, waiting for another soul to unleash its nightmare.